cool homework. I tried to make it as fun and as enjoyable as possible, and hopefully you guys will learn something from doing it. Um, so my first option was to have you guys, so you guys can either make the crystals that you saw in the slides that I talked before, or find a different make your own crystal at home video on YouTube, um, or however you figure out how to make crystals. But make it, take a video, take a picture of it, um, and then talk about its different properties that we've talked about in the past few slides. But once again, melting point, brittleness, crystal structure, conductivity. Just talk about all four of those properties of your specific crystal. Um, and then, or if you don't feel like making it, because it's also kind of a lot and a mess, um, but uh, you can just find two ionic compounds around your house or on the internet or something you think is cool from the book, literally anywhere, that you find one, and just talk about the different properties. And then I want you guys to also just talk about how these ionic compounds are used in everyday life, or how the ionic compound properties are used to make it the material, or like make it how it is. You know what I mean? Like, what about the bonds make it useful or function as it does in our everyday life? If that makes sense. Hopefully it does. If not, feel free to email me. I'm not gonna be crazy about this. Like, chill. Like, it's just supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be interesting. You're just supposed to see that ionic compounds really everywhere and super cool. Um, yeah, and then I'm gonna have you guys share it to the Google Drive, and I want you guys will all have access to the Google Drive. I want you guys to see each other's work and just kind of see how cool chemistry is and how much is out there. But yeah, cool. I hope this is good.